Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a working microphone and granted permissions. Open Settings, go to Privacy or App Permissions, and enable microphone for the search app. Once done, make sure Bluetooth or headset audio isn't hijacking input by disconnecting accessories and testing with a voice memo app. Also check your Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Voice search often requires internet. Doing these checks now prevents wasted steps later and prepares the device for. Now you reset the voice services to clear corrupt states. Go to Apps, select the Search or Assistant app, then force stop. Next, clear cache and data. This resets settings without waiting. Once done, check for updates in your App Store. If updates fail, uninstall and reinstall the app. Also remove existing voice profiles or linked accounts and re-add them. This forces the service to reinitialize voice models. These steps restore default voice functionality, so the toggle can be re-enabled. Finally, re-enable voice search in the Assistant or Search app settings. Flip the voice search toggle to on and follow any on-screen prompts. Once enabled, run the guided voice setup or retrain the voice model so accuracy returns quickly. Make sure to test with a simple query like, "What's the time?" If it fails, reboot the device and, if necessary, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If problems persist, check for carrier or enterprise policy blocks. That's often the only remaining restriction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.